Roasting pan. A large, deep pan that is used for roasting meat, poultry, or vegetables in the oven. Roasting pan. Casserole dish. A deep dish used for cooking food in the oven, typically with a lid to retain moisture and flavor. Casserole dish. Saucepan. A small, deep pan with a long handle, used for cooking sauces, soups, or boiling small amounts of food. Saucepan. Skillet. A flat-bottomed pan with low sides and a long handle, used for frying, searing, or sautéing food. Skillet. Dutch oven. A heavy, deep pot with a tight-fitting lid, used for slow-cooking stews, soups, or roasting meat. Dutch oven. Slow cooker. An electric appliance that cooks food slowly and at a low temperature, often used for stews, soups, and other one-pot meals. Slow cooker. Blender. A kitchen appliance with rotating blades that chop, blend, or puree food and drinks. Blender. Roasting pan. Roasting pan. Roasting pan. Casserole dish. Casserole dish. Casserole dish. Saucepan. 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 Skillet. 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 Dutch oven. Dutch oven. Dutch oven. Slow cooker. Slow cooker. Slow cooker. Blender. Blender. Blender.